In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add rating questions in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, easy-to-understand rating item that helps you collect more meaningful feedback. Start by opening your Google form and creating a new question. Click the plus icon, also known as the Add Question button. This inserts a blank question field where you can set both the wording and the question type. Rating questions work best when your prompt is short and focused. Like, how satisfied are you with our support? Or rate the clarity of today's training. Next, change the question type to linear scale from the drop-down menu. This is the built-in option specifically designed for ratings, so you won't need to hack together checkboxes or multiple choice to simulate a scale. Once selected, you'll see controls for the lowest and highest numbers on your scale now. Set the scale range. Common choices are 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. A 1 to 5 scale is quick and familiar. Great for general feedback with a clear midpoint at 3. A 1 to 10 scale offers more precision when you want finer distinctions between responses. Think about how you plan to analyze the results. Broader scales give more nuance, while smaller ones often produce faster, more consistent answers. Choose the range that matches your goals, optionally. Add labels for the endpoints of your scale. Labeling one as poor and the highest number as excellent removes guesswork and keeps responses consistent. You can adapt the wording to your context, such as strongly disagree to strongly agree, or very unlikely to very likely. Keep labels clear and balanced so respondents interpret the scale the same way. If your question is already worded clearly, these labels still help reinforce intent, especially for first-time respondents. Finally, decide whether to make the question required. Toggle required on if every participant needs to provide a rating. This is helpful for key metrics you must collect from everyone, like overall satisfaction. If you are surveying a wide audience and want to minimize drop-off, you might leave it optional, but required questions ensure more complete data. That's it. You opened your form and added a question. Switch the type to linear scale. Chose the right range. Clarified the endpoints with simple labels. And set whether it's required. With these small choices, your rating question becomes clear, consistent, and easy to analyze. Thanks for watching.